Hello, today I'll show you how to install Opera browser on Samsung Galaxy A25. First, go into the Play Store, tap on the search box and type in Opera. Tap install and wait for the installation to complete. It may take a while. After the installation is complete, simply tap open. Tap open. Tap continue, enable notification, allow. You can now set Opera as default, as the default browser. I will not do that and simply skip it. And you may allow them to gather some info about your browser. And here it is. Your Opera browser is finally set up and ready to use. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.